Hi there, and welcome to this course on one of the most powerful tools used in continuous improvement, the FISHbone diagram. My name is Cameron Hansen, and I'll be helping you swim towards root cause. I have over 10 years of using the various tools you will find in continuous improvement strategies, and even today continue to use them. Whether it's online education, distance learning, or on-site operations and supply chain analysis, I've used this powerful tool many times before. By the end of this course, you will not only know every foundational piece of information you need to know about the FISHbone diagram, but you will create your own to use in real life, and you will have the opportunity to complete a capstone project that will give you real life experience and challenge you to drive real results. This course is designed to make using the FISHbone diagram easy. If you come across issues in your daily work or you struggle to get past the visible effects of a problem, this course is for you. So, what are you waiting for? Check out the free previews and click on the enroll button today so that you can begin swimming towards real root cause with a solution that is sure to ignite your power today.